What's up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we have something very cool from Home Depot, and I'm gonna say this is the best entry-level kit to get into, bar none. What do you say, Eric?
100%. You got 8 tools.
Hey, wait! Thanks for being here, Eric.
Oh, thanks, man. Thanks for having me, man.
Everybody's been asking. He's still around, you guys. He's just, you know, he's putting in
underground for a little bit. But
yeah.
To be honest, I agree. 8 tools, 3 batteries, $500. Tough box. Can't beat it.
I mean, this is $4.99 out the door, you guys, at Home Depot. Go to HomeDepot.com right now. Click on it. 8-piece. What does it come up at? This cordless combo kit, 8 tool. It's got two 2-amp-hour batteries and one 4-amp-hour batteries. So basically, you got 2 compacts to get a lot of the overhead lightness done. But yeah, if you need to go into that reciprocating saw or the circular saw, you're going to be able to throw that 4.
Let's break it out. Let's see what tools are in here, man.
Let's see what's in there. First things first, you guys, is this right here. And I mean, this is at least $100.
They are actually, you know, they are.
The tool set. What do they call it? The tool cart? Tough box cart. Yeah. This is the cart, you guys. So basically, in the cart, what do we have, Henry? Let's put it on the ground already.
You want to do that? Yeah. Oh,
then
we'll bring up like a surprise. First, we got this. What'd you say? This is a hammer?
No, this is a circular saw.
Oh.
Right?
My bad.
Yeah.
My bad.
So basically, you put it on. What if we were like that? What if we did one episode where it's like... No, you guys.
That's pretty much what we do.
Yeah. It's an entry-level 20-volt drill, you guys. Really cool. No hammer function on it. It's the DCD771. Now, granted, not top-of-the-line drill, but you're getting into this kit with, what, 8 pieces? Obviously, one's a flashlight. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, okay, one's a flashlight.
Yeah.
I didn't know sometimes they, you know, because you know when you get little accessory kits, they count everything.
Oh yeah, I know.
Like, oh, the collet adapter, that's one.
Well, that's why like when you get those mechanic sets, those like wrenches and all that.
Yeah.
You're like, oh, it's a 3001. Then you pick it up and it's like 2,999 bits. And
yeah, and you're like, man, that sucks. 2-speed on this, you guys. It does have a plastic chuck.
This is a circular saw.
That's a circular saw. You guys, this is the DCF 883.
That's a 3/4 or is that
3/8?
3/4.
3/8 inch impact, right?
Yeah. 3
LEDs on the front. No speed
I like
control
the 3
or
LED
anything like
system,
that.
man. That's nice.
It is nice. But I mean, remember when this first came out? We were like, oh my gosh, 3 LEDs. It was so amazing.
Well, it's nice because usually they got LEDs below or right on top, and you always get that shadow. I feel like that does a good job, you know.
Yeah, and I mean, to me, the grip on here is awesome. Variable speed trigger, which is great, but just the balance of this tool. I don't know, Eric, check that out.
No, it is. I've always liked, that's the one thing I've liked about DeWALT is their actual drills and impacts, you know?
Yeah.
I like the feel of them. I like how all the weight's right here. And it's awesome with these compact batteries.
Yeah, what else we got? What's next, you guys, next?
Another one of my favorites, man.
Oh, a driver.
Yeah, driver.
Wow, I didn't even know it come. Wow.
Impact wrench and a driver, you know?
All right, you guys, so we have an impact driver. What's the difference? Just the collet on the front, and I believe there's also difference in the torque.
Yeah.
I mean, these things look identical. This is the DC885, DCF885, and this is the DCF883. So I'm pretty sure they're close. I mean, they look identical. We'd have to look that up. But this is just an overview video, you guys. We're just showing you this kit. So this, you're going to put your 1/4-inch accessories on and be able to drive the screws, stuff like that.
Yep.
Same thing. I love the balance, Enrique. I love it.
Man, reciprocating saw. Yeah, I like that one. It's not their top.
Yeah, this is an entry-level reciprocating saw.
Yeah, it does have an adjustable shoe. It does have a pivoting shoe. But
yeah, I mean... Yeah, basically the only feature you're going to get on this thing is just a shoe. No, I'm kidding. Yeah. What is the features on this? This is a DCS 381. So yeah, that's about it. I mean, but here's the thing, you guys. Again, you know, some reciprocating saws, really good ones, are in the $300 range. This whole kit is $499.
I think they got it, yeah.
I just laugh because I'm just trying to think of something. I mean, you know, I still think this is a great kit. I do. I mean, granted, this to me is, you know, definitely entry level from DeWALT. What's next?
Grinder. Is that, you have the other, is this the...
No, I have a flexible. Yeah, I have a flexible.
Okay.
Okay, this is actually a pretty decent little grinder, you guys. Just on-off, no variable speed. Most grinders aren't. You have your guard on it here. Looks like you have there's no quick release, but for the guard there is. You can quick release the guard. So, you know, just a grinder. This is something you're going to want to use with this 4.0 battery, you guys. The 2.0 battery, you're not going to get enough power to really grind much.
2.0 is good for the drill, the impact.
Yeah.
You know.
Alright, actually, this is pretty cool because I know there's no entry levels on this. This is all.
Do they only have one oscillating tool?
Two. One's
two?
Yeah, one's 20 volt max and one's actually AC 120 volt.
So is that the same as this one you got?
Yeah, that's gotta be. Is that the DCS 355?
Yep.
Yep. So guys, this is actually a brushless. So you're getting a brushless tool in this kit.
That's only a brushless one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I mean, that's pretty crazy.
Well, yeah.
Unless circular saw wouldn't be brushless. But that's pretty crazy. You're getting a brushless multi-tool in it, oscillating tool.
It's got the quick change, right?
It's got the quick change on the head, you guys, which means you're just gonna pull down, put your accessory on and go, which is really good.
It doesn't take every one though.
It doesn't take every one. But it came with the adapter.
Oh, it can?
Yeah,
okay.
there's an adapter that comes with it. It should be in there.
Yeah, it's
probably in the bag that you can put other adapters on. There might be one or two brands that are out there. Definitely check the internet on that. But the cool thing about this, you guys, is the trigger, right? It's a variable speed trigger. So on most oscillating tools, you just have it on, off, and then a dial for speed. This one is actually, you can adjust the speed through your hand, which I think is awesome because sometimes when you're going on these cuts and you're doing something really fine, it's nice to have that acceleration when you need it.
I noticed when we were doing the actual wood floor and I had to cut up some of the wood floor, yeah, it was actually a pain sometimes with the dial. You start going with it and you need a little bit more power. So,
yeah.
Cool, thanks for listening.
No, wait, oh, you used the DeWALT?
No, I did not.
See how low I can get it? Listen. I mean, that really helps because if you're in a tight area, or you don't want to mix something, that's actually a really good oscillating tool. I like that. And then the flashlight.
No, there's one more tool, man.
Flashlight, nothing to write home about.
No, it's an LED. It's not an incandescent.
Yeah, it's a flashlight. Again, it's a $500 kit. And then a circular saw.
Do they have a couple of circular saws?
Yeah, they have like circular saws. Yeah, I mean obviously this one has a steel.
That one seems different than the one we've done before. I don't.
Yeah, this one's definitely entry level. We've got the steel shoe on it right here. Got the bevel.
Because the other one's got aluminum shoe, doesn't it?
Magnesium.
Or magnesium.
I believe. But they might have one with an aluminum too. They have a.
No, but most of them are magnesium shoes.
Yeah, I feel like I'm liking these in the Flexible. But yeah, your entry level circular saw, you guys. This is the DCS 393. So pretty cool. Now this kit, I'm going to tell you what I feel is the most valuable items in this kit right now is the actual box itself. I feel like that's roughly around $100, right? Mm-hmm. This thing's got to be at least around $100, right? So you're at $200. So two amp hour batteries are going to be $100. So that's $300. A 4.0 battery is going to be $100. So that's $400. So for an extra $100, you're basically getting a circular saw, 2 impacts, a drill, a recip saw, a grinder, and a light.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
A recip saw, yeah.
With the shoe.
With the shoe.
It's got the recip saw with the shoe.
But seriously, yeah. I mean, honestly, it's a good deal. I mean, you get all your main tools for the most part for $500.
This is gonna be good for okay, if you bring this to dad for Christmas or mom, whoever uses the power tools in your family, they're gonna freak out because you have the DeWALT name. So even though it is an entry level kit, some of the tools, you are getting this brushless oscillating tool. But it also carries the DeWALT name, and even their entry level stuff is, way above entry level brands per se.
Yeah, and I think it's good because there's still a lot of people who use. You don't have any of the old NiCad ones, huh? There's still a lot of people who use the NiCad ones.
Oh, and
they don't want to get rid of that stuff because they've got all the batteries, they got all the tools. It's a great way to now go lithium and get into the whole platform.
Yep, and then they could buy for like $40 a converter kit that'll allow them to do the XRP into this, which will run these batteries on their old tools, giving them more life. And I mean, this is a heavy duty drill.
Well, I think it's a nice way to get into it, and you're like, oh man, you know what, the drill I'm gonna really use a lot. So then you can just go upgrade. You can get the bear kicks. You've already got the batteries. Or the same thing if you use the impact driver, you can upgrade that, whatever you want to.
Yeah, so. I mean, honestly, you guys, it's pretty crazy that you can now walk into a Home Depot for $500, get this tote full of all these tools. Yeah, I mean, I remember when just like 4-piece kits were $400.
Oh, yeah. Well, they still are. You still get kits.
Yeah,
like that,
but I mean, just to put this kind of a deal together, to me, is pretty intense. Especially for the person that needs it all. You want a kit, you want to get started. I would definitely jump into this.
But wait, that's not all either, though. There's always that one extra thing.
A charger?
Charger, dude.
No way. Now, it's not a fast charger or anything like that, you guys. But it will charge 12 volts, too, if you have their 12 volt lineup. But, obviously, basic charger. But still, that's when you upgrade. That's when you get into. You go get the nail gun if you need to get it. You know, you right angle drill, you'll get that. Reciprocating saws, all that stuff from DeWALT. They're new jigsaw.
Drills or just right?
Left angle drills.
Yeah, those are just right ones.
They're obtuse.
Oh, I like that.
You didn't think I knew it?
Not acute?
Yeah, I got you back on that one.
Not acute, huh?
Not acute. You guys, there is no such thing as the left-hand drill. Okay.
Wait, what about left-handed people?
No, they don't make them for him. There was the guy that invented drills, put it in the clause in his patent. He said, I will never.
I can't have a drill then.
He said, I will never do a tool for a left-handed person, ever.
What's this world coming to?
I know, left-handed people can't use tools, I guess. So pretty cool kit, available only at the Home Depot, you guys. That's what we're trying to tell you. If you want a kit, you want to jump into it, this is the kit to get into. I'm pretty happy with it. What do you think?
Oh yeah, it's a great way to get into the DeWALT.
Yep, if you want. I mean, I wouldn't go any other way, I'm thinking. Even if I saw other kits. I don't even know the other kits off the top of my head right now, but this is... But actually, Depot has good deals going on right now, because you can buy...
a ton of kits. I was over there the other day.
Well, now you can buy like 3 tools, and you get 2 free or something. So you can actually mix and match. This is the best, like, just, hey, I'm buying this for a present, or, you know, I just need something quick to get out the door with. This is the one I would go for. And you got a little tote to drag it in.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
But I'm telling you, once you get this kit home, your favorite tools is going to be this thing. Although this will be your least used tool.
I don't know. You know what? I'm a big fan of the Bosch one.
No, Bosch is good too, but the DeWALT, I'm telling you, it's pretty awesome. I don't know. Good stuff, you guys. Check it out. Hashtag TA Crew wherever you go. This is part of the Home Depot
Wherever you go, whether you're on the
program.
train, in a car, or anywhere, wherever you go.
Yes. This is part of the Home Depot Perspective program, you guys, but we're being completely honest with you. These are our feelings about these tools. They don't get on us and say, hey, you know, you gotta be good. Just, you guys, talk about how you like them, you know?
Couldn't agree more.
Talk how you like them. Like, that doesn't make sense, does it? Oh my god. It's been a long day. This is the last video of the day, you guys. Peace out. You know exactly what I'm talking about. Click below. Don't forget to go to Home Depot. Check on it. But I want you guys to comment below. Let's start a massive conversation about DeWALT and this entry-level kit. Because I want to hear it. Especially from you Makita guys.
Yeah. Now I got to ask you, how much is the kit?
$4.99.
Is it entry-level or no?
I don't know. That's a good question.
Okay.
Yeah,
Cool.
I don't know. We should probably talk about that. I would say it's entry level. Obviously, DeWALT is a pro brand, but
I'm joking.
I know. Oh my gosh.
All right, guys, we're done.
For more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.